Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today we will see a great application. This application will let us build a beautiful and converting landing pages. Of course, this application will be called the landing page application. Let's see this application together. Go and click on applications. Now you will find your application in your apps, and it is like this, landing pages. If you don't find it here, you will find it in the new apps. And also, if you do not find it in the new apps, go to market.storeino.com and obviously you will find it there. And the applications will be like this. Just search for the landing page application and click on here. Then if you want to change the language, go down and click on English, as you see. After that, you can read all of these information about this application and click on get the app. The application is only $4, which is nothing. Click on get the app and you can choose the basic monthly subscription for this application, and you select your pack like this in the store. After that, go to your store and click activate for, you will find it like this, and click on activate like this, then click on the picture. Now we are inside the landing page application. Click on add new and we will have to set up some information in some settings. For first of all, the image of our landing page. For example, I'm gonna put this image like this, then the name of our landing page, and you will see the slug or the URL is generated from the name, but you can edit it separately. You can also add a description for your page. I'm just gonna add some demo text like this, and you can choose one of our templates, the templates for Arabic and the templates for English. I will not choose any templates in this tutorial because we want to build a landing page from scratch and get to know everything about this application. After that, if you want this page to be published directly, just click on here. If you don't want, click on submit directly, and you will see that the landing page is now available. You can access the settings by clicking on this icon here to edit the settings of the landing pages. After, click on customize like this. Now we are in this customizer of landing page. At the top, we will start at the top. You see the button of back to get back to the landing page application settings, then the edit mode. Now we are in the edit mode, but if you want to preview the page, just uncheck this edit mode and you will see the preview of the page. Then the CEO settings, the title, the slug, the image, the description, and also the keywords like this. As you see the image that we have been selected earlier, it shows like this in the social media posts. After that, we have a preview in the apply button. Then add elements. If we click on add element, we will see 6 elements. For example, the row on the columns, which is the important one, the text, the image, the button, the video, and the checkout. Let's start with the row and the columns. If you click on this row right here, you will see a bunch of settings. First of all, here you will see the columns. Now I only have one column, which is this one. I can make it larger like this to fill out the entire section like this. And if I want to add a new column, I'm gonna click 1 out of 2 and click on add column like this, and out of 2 also for the column to go up like this. And if I want another column, just click on add column and choose the size you want of the column like this. Let's start with one column like this. You can always put an element ID for this element. The margin is the space outside your elements, and the padding is the space inside your elements, and you can choose the background color for your section. You're gonna choose like this, for example, or you can choose an image, then click on confirm. Let's add one more column in here. Click on this button right here and click on add column and choose one of two. Click on confirm. You'll see then you have two columns. Let's put an image in this column. Click select image like this and insert photo. We have already talked about the margin is the space outside your element. The margin is the space outside your element. For example, I have the element is the image. The margin or the space outside this image, I can control it using the margin, and the space inside this image, I can control it using the padding. And also I can make it radius and choose a size for your image. After that, click on confirm. You will see that I have put image. I'm gonna click on this arrow so I can, for example, reduce the size of the image like this and click on confirm. As you see right here. Now let's add a text in here. I'm gonna click on text like this and copy this text just for test purposes, and also the margin and the padding that we have been explained. Click on confirm, or you can play with all these settings of the text as you see right here. After that, for example, I want to add a button down here. So then I'm gonna choose the button text, and the URL, you can either put your URL or just leave the URL as it is if you want at the bottom of the page to add the checkout element. Click on confirm like this and you will see the button here. The colors, you can change the colors right here and click on confirm as you see. If you want to preview, for example, this one, just uncheck this edit mode to see the preview of it. It looks cool already. So in this video, I will not be concerned so much about the design, but I will show you everything about each element. Now we have seen the image. As I've already told you, you can click on this little pen right here to edit the image settings and the text also. And for example, now I want to add a heading, but I only have a text. You can just click on the text as it is and put your heading right here, and after that just click and choose heading like this and click on confirm, and it will be a heading, a row like this, and only one tab or one like this, and click on confirm. Then I'm gonna click the plus sign and add the image. As you see, it's really simple to set up. It does not requires any coding knowledge, as you see right here. And we can increase the width of the image to be, for example, like this. I'm gonna delete it just here to show you how you can edit this. Then the fourth element is, or fifth element is the video. If you click here, you can add a video and you can specify the autoplay right here in the full screen and also the width. The video will be added just from your YouTube URL or your other URLs. Click on confirm when you finish and the video will be added. And this is about these elements. If you get finished with your page and you want to add the checkout, you can customize the checkout right here and also the cart. What you're gonna do is you're gonna click on add products, so we could select this product that we have built this landing page for. Gonna select the product and click on confirm. You can edit the thank you information right here, and you can customize the style of the button and add a background color also. After that, click on confirm and you're gonna click on preview like this. As you see, the checkout now has been added to our landing page with the product we have selected like this. That's it for this video, and see you soon in other tutorials. If you have any questions about the application of landing pages, feel free to contact us or leave us in the comments below.